Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF F16 Gaming Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming laptop that combines raw performance, high-speed visuals, and exceptional durability, the ASUS TUF F16 Gaming Laptop 2025 is an absolute powerhouse that checks all the boxes. Designed for gamers and professionals who demand performance without compromise, this laptop brings cutting-edge technology to your fingertips. Let's start with the graphics performance. The ASUS TUF F16 is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, featuring the latest DLSS 4 technology and real-time ray tracing. This means games are not only rendered with astonishing frame rates, but also come to life with incredibly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. From intense battle scenes to cinematic cutscenes, the visuals are breathtaking, creating an immersive gaming experience that truly stands out. Under the hood, this laptop boasts the 14th generation Intel i7-14650HX processor. With 16 cores, 24 threads, and up to 5.2 GHz turbo clock speed, this CPU delivers powerhouse performance for both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games, streaming, or running demanding applications, this processor ensures your system is fast, responsive, and lag-free. Combined with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, load times are lightning fast, and multitasking between games, content creation, and productivity apps is effortless. The 16-inch FHD plus IPS display is a true visual treat. With a 165Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, and adaptive sync technology, your gaming visuals are silky smooth, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. The 100% sRGB color gamut ensures vibrant, accurate colors whether you're gaming, editing videos, or watching movies. Every detail pops on this display, giving you an edge in competitive games and a richer experience in media consumption. One of the standout features of the ASUS TUF F16 is its advanced cooling system. Equipped with second-gen arc flow fans, a full-width heat sink, and integrated dust filters, this laptop keeps itself cool even during intense gaming marathons. What this means for you is sustained performance without thermal throttling, ensuring smooth gameplay while keeping fan noise to a minimum. Connectivity and flexibility are also top-notch. The ASUS TUF F16 comes with a full suite of ports, including RJ45 Ethernet, 3 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, and HDMI 2.1 for 4K external displays. Whether you're connecting peripherals, external monitors, or high-speed storage, this laptop has you covered, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and professional use. Finally, the ASUS TUF series is built for durability. With military-grade construction, this laptop is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, travel, and intense gaming sessions. It's a laptop that not only performs exceptionally but also lasts for years, making it a reliable companion for serious gamers and professionals alike. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF F16 Gaming Laptop 2025 is a perfect blend of power, speed, stunning visuals, and durability. With its RTX 5060 GPU, Intel i7-14650HX processor, high refresh rate display, and robust cooling, it's designed for those who demand the best in gaming and productivity. If you want a gaming laptop that handles everything you throw at it, the TUF F16 should be at the top of your list.